For question 5, we're told that H0 is the original mean, the normal mean is 40, and the alternative, we think that they're going to speed the people up. So if they speed them up, they're going to do more than 40 every day, aren't they? So mean's going to be greater than 40. It is a 5% test, isn't it? 5%. There's lots to read here, so I'm just trying to scan through it all. So it's a 5% test to do that. So under H0, X is normally distributed. It is normally, isn't it? It does say it is modelled normally. I was thinking if it didn't say that, then we'd have to use the central limit theorem in a second. But it's normally distributed with a mean of 40 and a standard deviation of 8. So I'm going to put 8 squared there. But we're going to sample 30 of them, a sample of 30. And so the sample mean will be normally distributed with a mean of 40 and the variance will be 30 times smaller. Find out the significance level of all of that. So normal distribution greater than, and what have we got here? So the standard deviation here is 8 divided by root 30. And it looks to me that everything's working, so we've got 40 there. The probability we want here is 0.05, and so the probability that the mean is bigger than 42.402 is equal to the 5%. So this is my critical value. My critical value is 42.402. Now, last time we needed to be a bit more accurate, so just have a look at it. 402, let's put a couple more digits there, 46 if we need them. In fact, we're not even going to find out. They've got bored of asking us what the type 1 error is. The type 1 error, of course, is actually that. So for a type 2 error, is the probability that the sample mean is actually less than 42.402, given that mu is equal to, what do they tell us it turns out to be? It turns out to be 42, given that the mean is 42. It's going to be quite a lot, this, isn't it? So I wonder if we could just leave that there. I think we probably can. So I'm not even going to, I'm just going to leave that there without having to edit it at all. Change it to a less than, change that to a 42, and I think I can get it without having to retab anything in. So I've got 6085. 6086 there. So that's the probability of your type 2 error. And the last bit just says the manufacturer wants to reduce the type 2 error. So if we want to put the type 2 error down, that means that the type 1 error would have to go up. They can't both go down. So that would mean we'd have to increase the 5% test. We'd have to do a 10% test or something like that. Change the significant level for a 5% to higher, and then that would reduce the probability of the type 2.